Tungsten PowerPDF is an award-winning PDF editor designed to be easy to use, secure, and low cost. It offers advanced functionality and strong security features, making it suitable for both individual and businesses of all sizes. Customers choose PowerPDF for various reasons, including its intuitive user interface, powerful built-in OCR engine, and comprehensive security and automation features. Additionally, PowerPDF offers a flexible licensing model allowing you to select either a perpetual or term-based licenses. In today's demonstration, we will explore a few of the ways PowerPDF will empower you to work smarter and productive with PDF files. First, let's see how PowerPDF simplifies converting PDF files into Microsoft Office format and vice versa. Here, I'll open a 13-page PDF file and with just 2 clicks convert it into a Microsoft Word document. Note that not only is the conversion fast, but it also preserves the original PDF's layout, including all images, fonts, font colors, and hyperlinks, and even the table embedded in the document. This not only saves you time and effort, but also makes you more productive when updating existing PDF documents. Similar speed and accuracy are available when converting PDF files to Excel and other file formats. In the next demo, I will convert a 4-page PDF into an Excel, and PowerPDF creates a file with 4 worksheets out of the 4 pages. Retaining the document structure and all the tables and all the data is editable within Excel. If required, PowerPDF also enables you to extract specific parts of the document or table from a PDF into Word or Excel. When you are ready to distribute or publish your work, PowerPDF streamlines the process by enabling you to convert Microsoft Office files into distribution-ready PDFs. The Microsoft Office plugin is installed into all Office applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, making it easy to create PDF files straight out of these applications. The PDF generated out of PowerPDF allows for creation of more interactive documents with embedded bookmarks, tagged PDFs, and WCAG compliant files. With PowerPDF, you can trust that your files will meet the latest accessibility and archival standards. Document conversion is core strength of PowerPDF. It simplifies the conversion from PDF to editable Office formats and also the creation of interactive distribution-ready PDFs that will help you and your organizations be compliant with any regulations. Now, let's dive into another core feature of PowerPDF, document editing. PowerPDF provides a variety of tools to edit a PDF file directly within the application, making it a highly versatile and user-friendly tool. For basic edits, the Edit Text functionality allows you to make small changes with ease. Watch how the application intelligently identifies and automatically applies the correct font, size, and color to any text I modify, ensuring seamless updates that match the original content. PowerPDF also has access to all fonts stored in your Windows font library, giving you complete flexibility. Beyond text, objects such as images, logos, and tables can also be edited and adjusted. When you move an object, grid lines automatically appear to assist with precise placement and alignment, making the process smooth and intuitive. With Advanced Edit, users can make extensive changes to PDF while still maintaining the integrity and original page layout. Once the Advanced Editor is activated, the PowerPDF toolbar transforms into a more robust word processor-like interface, providing enhanced functionality to insert various objects and enable tracking on the document. This tracking feature is particularly useful when multiple users are collaborating on a same document. Additionally, the Find and Replace tool significantly speeds up your workflow, allowing you to implement multiple updates across the document in one go. This task can also be automated using the Sequencer tool, which we will explore in more detail later in the demonstration. We often find ourselves juggling with multiple file types from various sources. As you can see on the screen, I have an assortment of files, Word, Excel, PowerPoint presentation, and some images. PowerPDF offers multiple ways to combine these into a single PDF file. Watch as I effortlessly combine all of these into a single organized PDF. PowerPDF automatically creates bookmark for individual files. Users can further perform page-level operations like remove, rotate, duplicate, or swap pages in the newly created file. This makes it possible for you to organize your pages and file as you would like it to be represented. With page assembly, users can drag individual pages from other files or other open tabs in the application. Another option is to open the required files in separate tabs and simply click Combine All from the menu bar. This will seamlessly arrange and merge all open files into a single tab, offering a straightforward and efficient solution. Whether you are archiving an important data or preparing a comprehensive report, PowerPDF streamlines your workflow and helps you create engaging files which further enhance usage and collaboration. In today's digital landscape, ensuring the security of documents, particularly PDFs, is critical to protect sensitive information, maintain compliance with industry regulations, and safeguard against unauthorized access or tampering. PowerPDF facilitates securing your PDF files in multiple ways. Users can drag and drop a watermark to your PDF files to easily classify their document. Users can easily add handwritten signatures or signatures saved as stamp onto a document. These classify as e-signatures. And to take this one step further, PowerPDF empowers the user to create and digitally sign PDF files, wherein users can create multiple appearances for their digital signatures to suit their requirements. PowerPDF has built-in compliance checker for digitally signed files and can confirm if the digital signature is valid and trusted and if the document has been modified since it was digitally signed. Another important way to protect PDF file is by encrypting them with passwords. PowerPDF enables the user to password protect their PDF files and apply necessary permissions in the process. With defined security profiles, users can apply these settings via drag and drop or apply these in batch using sequencer. And lastly, redaction can be used to permanently remove sensitive or confidential information from a document to ensure it cannot be recovered or viewed. This feature helps organizations protect privacy, meet compliance requirements, and securely share document without the risk of exposing sensitive data. Users can search and redact words, patterns, and areas of document. PowerPDF AI-based fuzzy search help users find words that might have been misspelled or misprinted. In today's fast-paced digital world, keeping track of document changes can be a challenging and time-consuming task. But what if there was a tool that could make this process effortless? PowerPDF ships with the Compare tool. Watch as it swiftly analyzes two versions of a PDF, highlighting differences in real time. You can choose to view the documents side by side or in a single page mode where the differences will be highlighted. From text revision to image modification, the Compare tool can be configured to pick all the changes. The summary page shows you a concise results summary. The Compare File tool isn't just about finding differences. It's about empowering you to work smarter with your PDF files. Whether you are a legal professional reviewing contracts or business leaders tracking document revisions and versions, Compare tool is designed to make your process more effective and effortless. With PowerPDF, users can easily automate repetitive routine tasks and steps on a single file or multiple PDF files using the sequencer tool. I mentioned this tool previously in the security and editing part of the demonstration. Users can easily create a sequence to perform redaction, encryption, adding and removing pages, or adding headers and footers, and much more. In this example, I have 6 files where I needed to add header. Instead of doing this individually, I ran a sequence which was previously created with the required parameters, and it was automatically applied to all open files. A sequence can be applied to all files in a folder, all open files, or even be run as a hot folder task. With the release of latest version in June 2024, PowerPDF now supports embedding and rendering of 3D objects in PDF files. Designer, engineers, and stakeholders can use embedded 3D models to review and provide feedback directly within the PDF document, reducing the need for separate 3D modeling software and streamlining the review process. Embedding 3D objects in a PDF eliminates the need to share multiple file formats. Everything, text, images, and interactive models, can be housed into a single document, simplifying the distribution and access. PDF with 3D models are useful for sharing product design, blueprints, or schematics, allowing detailed inspection without requiring specialized CAD software for everyone. For architecture and construction, 3D models in PDF can provide client and builders with clear visualization of projects, including construction phases and layouts. In medical and scientific research, 3D renderings of anatomical structures or complex systems can enhance research papers, allowing readers to visualize data in dynamic ways. For businesses in design, manufacturing, or other technical fields, embedding 3D models in PDF documents can set presentation apart and convey professionalism, helping win contracts and investments. For these reasons and many more, PowerPDF is trusted by over 10 million users around the world. PowerPDF is packed with smart tools which will simplify, automate, and empower your workday working with PDF files. Today we only demonstrated a few of those capabilities. There are more tools that can help you be more efficient and productive. Please reach out to our sales teams for more in-depth discussion on your PDF editor needs. Thank you for your time.